Hi guys, Mills here. Yeah, I don't have a boss right now. Yeah, because I really need to use that keyboard. Not really. I just don't have the patience. So yeah, I'm gonna do review after this because I'm doing this because I don't have an intro, so that's why I'm doing this. So yeah, I'm gonna be reviewing this keyboard in 3, 2, 1. Cool transition, go. This this keyboard costs 150, which is not that valuable. I can say that, yeah. So the package was not that great. I feel like the box got hits too many times, and I think this is from China. I don't know, maybe there's something wrong with the logistic or like the transportation from there to here. Maybe that's why. So there are pros and cons if you want to buy this kind of mechanical keyboard. First thing first, you got a hot swappable. What is hot swappable? Hot swappable is when you can change the switch inside the keyboard itself. I bought it with the brown switch, and right now I'm switching it to the banana something. I forgot the name of the switch because the switch has a lot of name, and I don't remember almost all of them. All right, to be honest with you, the switch doesn't really fit with my mechanical keyboard, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I do actually. I do know what I'm doing wrong. I bought the switch that have 3 pins, but my keyboard only got 2 slots of pin, so probably that's why. I don't know. I don't know how I do it, but it's still usable. Yeah, I recommend you choose brown switch in the first place because it sounds okay enough. It doesn't sound so loud that you annoyed your brother or something like that. Plus, this keyboard itself have 24 mode of backlight. If you want to see that, skip to this timestamp. I will, post every single blacklight. I'm sorry about that. It is not blacklight. It's backlight. So this keyboard itself can connect 3 types, which is the 2.4 dongle that you got behind the keyboard itself. It is a little bit hidden, but you can find it, I swear. You can go with Bluetooth. For me, I experienced Bluetooth keyboard before those two. It is delayed a little bit, yeah. And the third one is wired. Well, it is wired, so you don't have any delay or anything like that lah. They give you the wire itself. It is Type C to Type C, I think so. So there are the pros. Let's talk about the cons. The button S is stuck sometimes. I don't know, is it because of my ass or this ass?
What did he say?
But same goes on both of them. It's stuck. I don't even know why. The second cons, you should buy you should buy a compact keyboard rather than a big one because you don't really use numpad very much. Cons number 3 is this is for gamers. Not really for gamers, for someone that really find RGB light to be so cool and so worth it to get. Okay, this one doesn't have it. It only have one light. It has a lot of mode of backlight, but it only got one light. Yeah, and it doesn't even have a software in your own laptop or PC for you to change it. I'm gonna say this is on me because I'm a student myself. I bring my keyboard to my college, sometimes go back home, and it is not really worth it to do that because the keyboard itself is big. When it's big, it is a little bit heavy than a normal keyboard itself. So for me, get a compact one. As I said before, it has a lot of backlight mode, so I'm just gonna go through all that. So what you want to do is to press Fn and this INS. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, So if you wanna see the battery in this keyboard itself, you have to press Fn and the backspace. You can see there. The battery now is 8. It means like 80%, something like that. But I mean, for me, you don't really have to charge it always. You can use it for like 2 weeks, something like that. So I'm gonna use this kind of backlight because I want to show you how you wanna make the backlight more brighter or more dimmer. So first thing first, you have to press Fn. I mean, all of this you have to press Fn, then go up if you wanna make it more brighter. If you wanna make it more dimmer, just go down, and then eventually it's just nothing. If it's flashing that right here, it means that this is your limit. This is the brightest that it could get, and this is the lowest that it could get. You can also make the animation from moving from side to side much more faster, which is you have to press Fn and just go right. This is the fastest that it gets. And for the slowest, just press Fn and go back. This is the slowest that it could get. So now we go over the front. Let's go into the back of it. So in the back we got 2 levels. If you wanna make this keyboard stand, so the dongles sit right here. It should look like this. This is the dongle itself. You can put it in here, just like that. For the USB itself, it's Type C right over here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it is Type C, and that's it. Got a little bit of rubber here, and this is the switch that if you want to go to Bluetooth, just on the right side. If you want to go wired, and then you can just go to the left. If you want to turn off this keyboard itself, just go in the middle. That's it. But this keyboard itself turns off by itself if you don't use it. Just takes a couple while. This flashy 4 means that it doesn't connect to anything. If it's flashing control and always, it means that it is charging. So as you can see, I'm charging right now, and the control is light up no matter what. Last but not least, my recommendation. Is it really worth it? Not really. Yeah, I mean, if you buy a big keyboard, it is not worth it. I mean, you should buy really a compact one that is much more better than this big one. But I do recommend, if you still want to buy it, I do recommend a brown switch and a custom keycaps. If you wanna spice it up a little bit, spice your keyboard a little bit, make it look good. You know what I'm saying? Buy a smaller version. Yeah, that's just it. That's just my rant today. And that's it. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Saya Nadia dulu. Bye bye.